In this video, we're going to show a basic jQuery implementation of a very stripped down Twitter, basically. And just to show you what that looks like very quick, so I can post the tweet. It's actually hard to type and talk to this. Hi, this is a tweet. And this is another. Hi. You get the picture, so you can post these tweets, and they're kind of the most recent tweet is put on top. And I'm going to talk through some of the jQuery JavaScript that's going on here to build the page. So yeah, like I said, we have this implemented in jQuery, and there's a few key kind of like functionality points to touch on. First of all, there's a kind of character validation, so you can only type in 30 characters. If you go over, you're not allowed to post the tweet. So to do that, we have in jQuery this update character count function. And basically we're checking if there's any remaining characters left, and we had defined a kind of max length of 30 here. If it is surpassing our threshold, our max length, then we're going to add class. So we have this button defined, post button, and we will add a class, CSS class, button disabled, which will make the button which will show the button disabled, and we'll also add to our char count, add class invalid, and then I'll just quickly show you what those classes are. So button disabled, we basically change the opacity of the button to 0.65, and for char count invalid, we set the color to red and make it bold. So it's a combination of, using CSS classes and jQuery to set those classes when certain things happen based off of the jQuery events. And then I'll show you the kind of other main functionality is obviously just like punching in, posting a tweet and putting it into this kind of tweet feed, which is just the table. So we have a separate function for that, post tweet, and really we're just using the events of the button to add the content to a table, kind of a basic HTML table. You can see that here. So we do the validation. We actually calculate the time just to give kind of a little bit of extra information there on when the tweet was posted. And so yeah, if it passes validation, we basically build this new row and we prepend it. Oops. Sorry there. We prepend it to the tweets list, and we can check out that. Let's just open up a lot of nesting here, but there's our tweet table, and there you go. There's the body, which is this ID tweets list. So we're just going to keep prepending to that to add in the tweets. And that's the gist. So the jQuery, you're using these kind of selectors as like shorthand JavaScript. Oh, and one other key point is this document ready function. So we don't want to run any of our JavaScript until all of the DOM elements, all the HTML elements are actually on the page and loaded and ready. So once the document is ready, then we can do kind of all of our JavaScript jQuery definitions based off user events. Okay, that's all.